Hello. I'm going to try to make us learn something today. We will not use the red one. We'll use the blue or the black. Let's see. A few days ago, we learned about and discussed project delivery methods, and we're always going to go back to that because it is the most essential thing in pre-construction, and that's what we're focusing on. It's called, I coined this term. If you see it in OpenAI, it's because I trained the model about it. So it's design information modeling. It's before building information modeling, which is BIM. It's very common. And it's not like you could trademark DIM or BIM. Oh, DIM. It's not trademarkable. It's more of a industry standard that has yet to be introduced. So design information modeling, what is it? It is project delivery method. It is all the 11 types of management. And it's the 11 types of management on a construction project. There are probably, I don't know, we'll have to go through them all to see which ones are involved in design management. So, design information modeling, design management, procurement management, cost management. I don't think I included that in my PDF, my 98-page PDF. I don't know. We'll just stick with that. And also, we'll just stick with that. Let's see if you could see it. I will definitely put it in the description, but hopefully you can see some of that. Then there's this other thing called artificial general intelligence, and that is how that's how machines learn. And I also propose, in addition to design information modeling, I think there should be artificial specialized intelligence. And it is it's based on what industry you're involved in. So those are two terms I want to coin. And also, instead of calling things AI, I want to call, instead of calling things AI, I want to call it, as far as artificial intelligence, I want to call it automated intelligence. Maybe I'm defeating the purpose, but haven't you ever noticed, like, that would make, at least in the industry that I'm involved in, which is the AECO industry, architecture, engineering, contractor, operations industry, which is basically design and construction industry or construction industry. I'll be back. Hold on. perfect toast. It's 9 minutes. So, where was I? Haven't you ever noticed, well, the AECO industry, that's the industry I'm in, also known as design and construction industry, or mostly known as construction industry. But if you're and now automated intelligence is what I would like to call AI, because that's more descriptive. It's automatic. It's not artificial. It's more automatic. It's a tool. So it's a great little tool. So yeah, these are the things I'm going to focus on. Let me take a picture of it because I will make sure it gets into the description, right? So yeah, so this is what keeps going around in my little head, and I'll talk more on the different types of managements. Actually, we could just go on my webpage where I have my PDF, and we'll see all the pre-construction types of management. So constructionmanagementhub.com. Hopefully that'll pull mine up right away. Bingo. That's pretty crazy. It's never done that before. And then we go to, I wish you could see this stuff. Ebooks. I call it an ebook. Fundamentals in Design and Construction Management for Resident Engineers. And then I have a cool presentation for design information modeling. So I proposed this to Small Business Association. It's a federal program. Anyway, I think we'll be able to put this on YouTube soon. So I list in the table of contents chapters 1 through 11. And I do show 10 management. So the pre-construction managements are feasibility management, procurement management, program management, which should be architectural programming, contract management, design management, and that's it. And they don't go in linear fashion. They overlap, they overlap plenty of times. So that's what this video is about. I hope it wasn't too ambiguous. Hopefully we'll get more into the details, design information modeling, artificial specialized intelligence, or automated specialized intelligence. So yeah, let's do it. I hope you have a great night. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and comment on if you think these are good ideas or if you have ideas. I've done some extensive writing on both of these, so if I dig it up, it's like, I think this amazing collaborative that I've developed or in my mind. Okay, so thank you so much.